Hi. Salida Police Department. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance? Okay. The reason for the stop tonight is your registration expired back in November.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Where are you guys headed tonight?
I'm staying here, just driving through to his house.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I'm Drew.
Hi.
I just had this conversation with my husband. He reminded me that my registration was expired. I'm sorry.
Okay.
My registration is not expired. My license, or
So the registration is
my license.
Your driver's license is also expired.
No.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
The registration.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. I'm gonna give you that back. How much have you had to drink tonight? Okay. Do you have your registration card?
Oh, I thought I gave it to you.
No, that was the insurance. Should be like a 5x7 index card size barcode on the back. I'm gonna let you work on that. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay.
Slide out 15. Can I clear one? You start cover for roadsides.
Are you visible for cover?
Yeah, he's right here.
Okay. He'll be out there. Traffic. And the 15, go ahead.
Copy, thanks.
You're welcome.
I saw you. I was like, they're gonna do right here. Any luck with that? Oh, that looks like it.
Yeah, but it is.
This is the.
Oh
yeah, this
is
is
expired.
Well, that's why I stopped you, was because it was expired. So, great. My other question for you. I'm getting some indication that you've been drinking tonight. Would you mind doing some voluntary roadside maneuvers for me? That's fine.
Get out.
You can stay in the car if you want, man.
Can I get out?
Are you cool if he steps out? Yeah, you can hop out, man. Whatever you want to do is fine with me. Are you okay to do those maneuvers for me, Nina?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure I should do it right now.
Okay.
Sorry.
Well, they are completely voluntary. You do not have to do them.
I was just staying a few blocks away and driving him back, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
What does it entail?
Oh, it's just a couple little maneuvers. But stand on one foot, walk in a straight line, that type of thing. Are you comfortable doing those?
How much? I think so. I'm just not sure.
Okay. They're pretty simple.
Okay.
And if you don't understand them, just let me know, and I can just re-explain them. Let's go step up on the sidewalk right back here, so we're not in the middle of the road.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Nina. Just go ahead and face me. So before we begin, I'm just going to ask you kind of a series of questions to make sure you're physically able to do the maneuvers.
Okay.
Are you under the direct care of a doctor or dentist?
No.
Are you on any prescription medication?
No.
Do you have a history of traumatic brain injury or concussion?
I've had 2 concussions.
How long ago was your last concussion?
About 10 years ago, or
10 years ago?
I'm not sure. Almost 10 years ago, yeah.
Okay, so quite a while ago. Do you have any lasting effects from that? That you can tell.
Not that I could tell.
Okay. Okay. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
Yeah, I have contacts.
Okay. Are they hard contacts or soft?
Soft.
Soft contacts. Perfect. Okay. Have you ever been told that you have any form of nystagmus? If you don't know what I'm talking about, then
No, I don't.
okay. All right. Do you have any issues with your neck, back, hips, knees, ankles?
No.
Anything that would affect your ability to stand on one foot or walk in a straight line?
No.
Okay, perfect. All right, if I get you just to stand with your arms down at your sides and your feet together, I'm going to give you a nice little red light to look at here, okay? If I get you to remove your hat just for this one. Perfect. Okay, so what I want you to do is follow my little red light with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, you understand? Okay.
Well, let's see what happens. See how she goes.
Don't move your head for me.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'm not coordinated.
Officer signal is good. Making sure people are good at safety.
We're just going to go up now, okay?
You guys watch the roll? This is still
You can relax. If you want to put your hat back on, you can do that.
I'm so cold.
Yeah, I like die without my hat. So, okay. So the next thing I want you to do, if I can get you to face my partner's car here, okay, I want you to take your, just stop right there. Take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot, face that way for me. Turn to your left just a little bit, face that way. No, I want you to turn your whole body.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Yeah, we gotta have enough room to do the steps. Okay, so I want you to take your left foot or your right foot, place it in front of your left foot, heel touching your toe, just like this. Go ahead and stay in that position with your arms down at your sides until I tell you to do something else. Okay? All right. What I want you to do is take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps along a straight line. Do a turn, which I'll demonstrate, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
Okay.
It's gonna look like this. Hang on.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. Assuming that was my 9th step, I want you to take a series of small steps around your front foot. 1, 2, 3, and on to 9. Okay, I'm doing 3 for demonstration purposes. You're going to do 9.
Okay.
I want you to look down at your toe. Don't start yet.
Okay, sorry.
I want you to look down at your feet.
Okay.
Count out loud enough for me to hear.
Okay.
Keep both arms down at your sides. And do not stop once you've started.
Okay.
Do you understand all those instructions?
Yeah, I'm just not coordinated.
That's okay. Any portion of those you need me to repeat. And actually, if you want, you can use this little crack in the sidewalk. If that works for you, too. Okay? Yep. So you understand everything I'm asking you to do? Okay, you can begin when you are ready.
Sorry, I'm not coordinated. 9.
Go ahead and face me. So next thing I want you to do, I'm going to demonstrate it, and then you can do it, okay? I want you to pick a foot, either foot, it doesn't matter which foot, okay? I want you to lift it 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. You know what parallel means?
Yeah, I'm just not coordinated.
I totally understand that. You don't have to do it yet, okay? I'll tell you when you need to do it. I just like to demonstrate it so you know exactly what I'm asking, okay? So that means don't point your toe, and don't pull your toe up, okay? So I want you to keep your foot parallel to the ground. I want you to look down at your toe and count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay, so look down at your feet, your toe, count out loud enough for me to hear. Keep both arms down at your sides and keep both legs straight.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1015, 14, 13, 14, 15, 1016, 1017, 2018.
You can relax.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, okay? I believe that you're impaired and you're intoxicated. Okay. So, what's going to happen now, okay? I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI. Nina, look at me, please. Okay. So, by driving in the state of Colorado, you've given consent for a chemical test of your blood or breath when a law enforcement officer has probable cause to believe that you are under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or both, okay? The test you choose is the test you'll be taking. You cannot choose a different test later. So your choices are, we can go just up the road here to the jail where our breath test is located. Okay, you'll give 2 samples of your breath. You'll know exactly where your BAC is tonight. Or we can go to the hospital. They'll draw 2 vials of your blood, and that'll get sent off to the CBI lab, and whenever the lab gets those results back, we'll get an email about it. Okay.
Well, my car is still not running. I don't think I'll be...
So there's a couple options for your car, too.
I don't think I can be able to do this.
You want to try to refuse testing?
I don't know what's the best option.
Well, unfortunately, you have to make that option for that decision for yourself. Okay. You can refuse, but I can tell you that your license will be revoked. I've got this whole little
I stayed a block away. I was just driving him back.
Okay, so if you refuse testing, your driver's license may be revoked. You may be required to have a breath testing device in your car for at least 2 years. You may be required to have DUI treatment for 8 months to get your license back. But I do need a decision from you.
What are the options?
So we can go up to the jail right up the road here, do a breath test. Okay? You give 2 samples of your breath into our intoxilizer. It'll spit out your results, and we'll go from there. We can go to the hospital. They'll stick you with an IV, draw 2 vials of your blood, and that'll get sent off to the CBI lab. I think they're should get results back in 3 to 4 months. Or you can refuse, but all those consequences that I just explained to you are likely to happen.
I just don't want. What are the options again?
So breath test or blood test, or refusal.
And what are the options with each? I'm sorry, I'm just trying to understand.
Right, so breath test, we go to the jail, you give 2 samples of your breath. Okay? Blood test, we go to the hospital, they draw 2 vials of your blood, we send them off to the lab. Refusal, you lose your license, among the other things that I explained to you. Or I guess we make you lose your license. I do need you to make a decision, though.
I know, I just none of those, I just can't.
I understand that none of those are anything that you want to do. I get that. He can't make that decision for you. I can't make that decision for you. And I can tell you that failure to make a decision will just result in a refusal.
I'm not trying.
I know you're trying to figure out what to do. That's why I'm giving you some time to think about it.
I'm not sure. I have to think about it. Do you have a few minutes?
Not really. We can talk about what to do with your car while you're thinking about it, if you'd rather do that.
I stayed there. I was just driving him to his house. It's in between.
Okay. No, I understand that, but as of right now, you're on a yellow curb. You're not legally parked, okay?
Well, because you pulled me over.
Right, no, I understand that, Nina. Let me explain it to you. Okay, so if you're okay with it, either myself or my partner can move your car into the parking lot and leave it parked there. Has he been drinking tonight?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
My wallet.
If he's sober, we can probably release it to him.
Yeah.
If not, we can park it in the parking lot here and lock and secure it, or we can have it towed at your expense.
I just don't know where my keys and my.
That's okay. We'll grab all that for you. Get your cell phone, everything that you think you need. Okay.
Because if you've been drinking, I don't like it. Unless if you're under
Can you explain the options again?
and if you're under .05,
We can go to the jail and do a breath test.
but
Okay? 2 samples of your breath, like blowing up a balloon. Okay, you'll have your results tonight. You'll know exactly where you sit.
you're over.
We can go to the hospital. They'll put an little IV needle in your arm. They'll draw 2 vials of your blood. We'll send it off to the CBI lab. They'll send us results back in a couple months.
Did you choose a test?
I don't know what's the best.
So did she explain that you basically have 3 choices? So a blood test, it gets sent off. We won't know until like a month, maybe.
I think they're 3 to 4 months right now.
Yeah, CBI's been pushed off.
Yeah, COVID, really.
But either way, that's down the line. Breath test, you'll know tonight. And then a refusal. Typically, the DMV has a higher punishment for a refusal to kind of discourage people from doing that. So as she explained on the express consent, it's you can have your license revoked up to your first offense.
I just don't know where my keys.
It's not a 215 at one in custody and express assessment advice.
Make it a moment.
Yeah, you can try to just. But I mean,
Just trying to understand.
I don't know where my keys are. Are we gonna go? I don't know my car. My car.
Can you go over here?
I just know my car.
just for a second, but it's like,
No, I know. I'm trying to find out what to do.
I don't know my car. I'm gonna kill myself. I can't lose my law license. Yes, I will. You know what? It's DUI. So what should I do? So what should I do? So what's the best option? Is there a blood test or refusal? I can't have drawing.
okay. I'll head over there.
Where's your car keys? No, you're in your car. My car keys. I have to. No, my car keys. Dude, I can't do this. I don't use it to life. So what's the best refusal or breathalyzer? I don't know. Keys are. I really want my car's right there. I don't use my keys. Everything I've ever done. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Where's my lawyer?
We have to make a decision here. I have another call that's pending that I have to go to.
You want to go next?
So-
That's fine.
Well, no, I'm not going to go until she's headed off with
I
Dr.
just don't-
Salida, so. But all I'm saying is, you have to make a decision.
What's your decision to make?
She can take a breath test, a blood test, or refuse.
That's it.
Those are the 3 choices.
So it's one of the 3. I would say that my focus is either take away. That's just the way they go. First you do. So right now. Typically, we see, and I can't speak to the body, and I can't speak to the court, so we can't speak to anything. But typically, on a first offense, it usually gets deferred down to like a year. That's typically what we see, and I can't say that's what happened. She just has to make a decision.
You gotta use.
She's gonna make a decision, otherwise we're gonna count it as a refusal, and then that's it. But I can't sway a decision. I can't. It depends. The only thing I would keep her out of custody tonight is if she blows on a PBT, or not a PBT, on the test and then talks later, and it's under .05. Other than that, everything else, a refusal, you still go to jail. A blood test, you still go to jail. If it's under .05, then we take her right back home. But that's the only thing that we have to do.
So if I was to advise her,
I can't give you that through. I can't give advice though. That's part of my, like, I would get in serious trouble if I didn't give advice.
you can understand what I'm asking.
And I hear you as a friend, and you want to help her out and give her the best advice. Best advice is just to make a decision. Otherwise, it's just going to be counted as a refusal. So, I know it's shitty, but there's court and all that kind of stuff, and there, like I said, typically it's a deferral with DWI. Typically, I can't speak for it because I'm not the prosecutor. So.
So again,
Yeah. So, blood, breath,
refusal is of June.
right. Refusal is still counted as DUI.
Right.
It's just, that's the criminal part. The civil part is the driving action, like driver's license. That is more serious offense than taking the test. Because the driver's license is a privilege, they'll revoke it for longer if you refuse. That's just the way it's built.
So if she did a breath,
Blood or breath, if she's over the limit, it's typically 9 months of revocation, and then after 1 month, you get headlock. And that's only on the driver's license part. I can't speak for what happens at the courts. So,
of course, you breath test.
typically with the courts is the first offense is a deferral on the criminal action and with the DWI, which is a lower charge than DUI. Typically. But like I said, I don't want that to influence anything. I just want to say that's typically what we see when we do that.
So it's a
Slida's a 50.
But that's the DUI thing. So, but Nina, you have to make a decision.
What was my time of roadsides?
Because like you said, we have to get her going.
No, I get it.
I have another call. It's only 2 of us right now.
I get it.
Copy, thanks.
My keys. I'm really sorry. Okay. I don't know what to do. I think I should look through the test and figure it out. I can't do that. I can't. I have to drive for work. What should I do in this situation? I God. She couldn't find me.
I'm sorry.
So now what should do?
Okay, guys, have we come to a decision?
No, we're still struggling with it.
Okay, well, we either need to make one or we're gonna do a refusal because this back and forth thing
Like
is not
right
working.
now, I've given you guys a
No, I appreciate it. I very appreciate it. I
lot
just
of chances, a lot of times.
if I refuse, how long can I drive? Because I need to drive for my job. I don't know what to do.
refusal is typically
Refusals.
1 year. Compared to 9 months. If you take a test, it's typically 9 months, but 1 month after you can get an interlock.
Interlock for 2 years.
What's interlock?
Interlock is
You
that.
blow a thing.
So to start your ignition. So okay, Nina, I do need a decision though. Okay.
I just don't.
I feel like we've been more than patient.
I know. I
explaining these.
appreciate it. I just don't know what the best. I'm sorry. I just don't know.
Alright, well,
Can we get literally like
No, we're
literally
done,
this
man.
is- we're done. So turn around, put your hands on your back.
this is
And you can make a decision in the car.
My car is still running. I think.
We'll take care.
I got my keys in there.
Do you want it towed or do you want it?
no, I'll park it.
I think my keys.
I can't let Drew park it, but I can have it. I'll park it here and
Yeah,
safely.
my dog is.
Yeah.
Okay. If not, I can have it towed.
You know what? It can be part. My wallet is.
Well, you need your wallet. You have your cell phone. Do
Where's
you need your
my-
wallet?
It's okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm
It's
trying.
okay.
My
It's okay.
key. I was trying to put it on
I
my.
called her in custody like 15 minutes ago. So
I'm not trying to. I'm not resisting.
no,
anything.
you're good. I'm just so you want your wallet.
Well, my
your cell phone.
I was trying to put my key to the.
We will.
I was trying to put my key on it, and you saw me trying to put my key on it. I'm just showing. I think it's in there. My key is in there. Obviously, I was driving the car. I'm trying to.
Okay. Well, you have your cell phone. We'll grab your wallet. Let's take a walk back to my car over here, okay?
If your car is running, do you have one of the keys that?
That's what I'm trying. Can you just make sure you can drive my car?
Yeah. Well, we're not going to leave it parked right where it is because it's illegal parking like a tow.
Well, I pulled over there.
I know you did. That's
over.
totally legal. It's easier to put your butt in first and then your feet.
Oh, did I do it?
No, a lot of times people whack their head right there. So, and you don't have anything else in your pockets, right? Just your
My
phone?
cell phone and my,
I'm gonna take that from you, okay? It's gonna go with you. It's gonna go with you. Okay. Nothing else in your pockets?
no, my car keys. I don't know.
Well, it looks like your car keys are in your car. My partner just started it so you can move it. Go ahead and turn your head to the left for me. And sit back. Okay.
Party calling advising that they had picked up a female party along Highway 35 near Main Road. There was a month got a plan. They figure out the girls were
Okay. Okay. Have you made a decision on a test?
I'm trying to. I just don't know what's the best thing to do.
I'm gonna run to your car and grab your wallet, okay? Do you need anything else from it?
Well,
We're gonna
yeah.
bring your cell phone, wallet, keys with
You
you.
have my cell phone and my wallet and my keys and my dog is saying I was supposed to go back to him.
And I think, are you on the phone with 911 right now?
No, I don't. You have
Oh,
my.
hang on, Cassie, I'll call
You
you.
have my cell phone.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang that up. I don't know, maybe it
I'm
felt a bump or something.
I didn't press it at all. I'm sorry, I didn't press it at all. I didn't use my phone. I never been arrested before.
Called 911 on our watch. You did. I think you just.
It's still beeping. It's
Is it
still
still beeping?
vibrating. I can see my wallet. you have my cell phone and my wallet.
Sorry, what? Expired registration. Slide, I say 15. I believe the party that I have in custody's watch just called 911.
Did you get a test?
Do you have her wallet?
Yeah. So Drew has it here. You want Drew to take your keys in your wallet, or do you want that to go with you?
I guess so if I can.
You're okay. You're okay.
I'm okay.
Nina, you're okay.
I'm obviously not okay.
No, it's okay.
So he has your wallet
okay.
and your keys. Do you want him to have it, or do you want it to go with you?
Do I need my identification? I never
I'm
got
literally
I
walking.
have your ID. Okay.
Are you going to go to the road?
You have my cell
She has
phone?
to go.
She's-
My dog is.
depend on- Okay. Have you chosen a test?
I don't know what the best thing is to do.
Okay.
Can't change the rules.
No, I just.
Okay. Do you want him to keep your keys and wallet?
For my car, yes, but you have my cell phone.
I have your cell
You
phone.
have my ID.
I have your cell phone and your ID.
Is there anything else that you might need?
Is there anything else that you
right now.
need?
Like,
I don't know. I've never been in this situation, but is there anything else that you might need for my wallet that might be?
Not for me. Not unless you need anything. Okay.
All right. So
So you're good with him keeping your wallet and your keys?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my dog is not okay.
well, she might change her mind at the gym.
I just don't.
She wants a breath test there, and then it's what we do.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna go deal with this thing at Wolf and Judge.
Yes.
And then I'll help you out with that.
am I in that way? Can I get her out like ASAP? Like,
Yeah, as soon as she goes through the booking process, then she should be eligible to bond. That, let me give you a number to the jail, and you can call them, and they can kind of give you an idea.
Okay, Nick, I'm gonna take off. You good?
Tracy won't be working right now, but you can call jail control.
my phone's dead.
So, 530-5702.
Or you can.
Is there?
It's so. You know, you're familiar with it. Okay, you
familiar.
can walk into the front there and talk to them.
Want me to
How
text
fast can I get her out?
Which probably as soon as she's goes through the booking process, and it depends if she chooses a test, that'll take a little bit longer. If she doesn't, it'll just be getting her booked in, and then she'll be able to bond out. If she's never had a DUI before, her bond should be $1,000 cash charity.
Girl hasn't crossed the midline or the street ever.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll walk up there.
I gotta run up to this. I have another emergent call. It's semi.
All right, I'm sorry. Nick.
So, all right, Drew. Yeah.
Slide, I say 15. I'll have that female party on board en route to the jail on a refusal, I guess. I'm gonna ask you one more time if you want to choose a test.
I'm not sure. I just don't know the best thing is.
They're both gonna yield the same results. I can tell you that. Unfortunately, I can't sway which one you choose if you choose one, but as of right now, lack of decision is a refusal.
What is that related to taking a test? I don't know what the right. I need to take my cell phone. I can't hold it.
Okay.
I was going to advise you, I also have a phone number for the male party that the females left with. And that he advised us to be scared of cops because he's so much death. He's like prison. There's absolutely on the stage as well. There's going to be a case of
You saw my cell phone?
I do.
Can I unlock my cell phone?
If you want, if you can reach.
Can you over the decision.
No, we're. If you're not gonna pick one, I'm not gonna keep explaining them to you. Slide, I say 15. I'm out of the jail. Will you guys just come see a show PBT? We've been super indecisive.
So, hold on just a second. So I'm going to explain this to you. So this has nothing to do with the arresting officer. It's just strictly jail policy. If you're over a certain number, you go to the hospital. If you're under a certain number, then they're able to book you into the jail. Otherwise, you got to go for a med clearance, and then you're still going to end up back here. And then you'll be charged for that medical clearance as well.
So either way, you have to test me?
Well, if I don't do this and you go to the hospital for a medical clearance, that you have to pay for.
So what are my options? I'm just...
So you either blow into this, has nothing to do, this isn't permissible in court or anything, this is just jail policy.
But how do I know what the best choice is for what the officer was asking me?
We're done with that, Nina.
But I'm just trying. I dedicate my life to this public service. I just don't want to stop. I just don't want to stop the news.
So, will you blow into this for me or no?
What are the options?
So you either blow into this or you go to the hospital. So this is just, if you're over a certain number, then you gotta go to the hospital anyway. And if you're under that number, then it doesn't matter, then you're good to stay here.
What happens in the hospital?
They do a medical clearance and then you get charged for it. I can tell you that Drew is walking here right now to bail you out.
I'm not
So, well, I'm just saying that the less time it takes, because if you're refused to do the PBT, then we have to go to the hospital.
Can I come out?
Well, it depends because if you blow or if you don't blow, then you gotta go to the hospital.
I just don't know what the option is for my future. I represent the cities and towns. I'm very dedicated to this work. I just don't know what the best thing is for my future. I'm not trying to be difficult.
Okay, so then
I just don't know what the best thing is.
okay, so here's the thing, and we'll just, do you want to do this or not?
Oh.
I told you this isn't permissible in court.
Okay. Okay.
So you'll do this?
I guess so.
So go ahead and take a deep breath, blow into this until it clicks. Keep going. Good, thank you. And so if you're over a certain number, then we have to send you to the hospital anyways. Okay, you're good. Come on out.
Inside. Can you tell me? Can I have a cell phone?
I got it.
And can you tell me that?
Your fingers.